Get 70% off Costco coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Costco coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $600 off, 50% off, $40 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code, then click on redeem at Costco. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and pass it to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount on your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Costco. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Likewise, head back. Once you're on this website section, you can also check out this one website, groupon.com, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Costco. So this way you can easily get up to 70% off working coupon code for Costco. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.